Brothers, sisters, and others of all colors, welcome back to another motherfucking The Outcast devlog, I think. We'll just call it that. It was just enough. As you can see, we have a totally new title screen, brighter aesthetic. I really love both like the dark red, purple kind of aesthetic, as well as like brighter, heavenly. I think they both kind of fit with the. But let me know what you guys think. Um, So yeah, as I mentioned before, I totally restarted the project, and the main reason is the previous project was kind of a mess. And by kind of a mess, I mean like really a mess. There were files, all these random tabs filling around. It was a bunch to clean up, and to be honest, yeah, I totally forgot. I totally forgot where everything was and how everything worked in it. And I blame a lot of that on, oh, suppose I'll stop yapping and get to the action. A little slow in my thing. I think it's, yeah. Let me just down guzzlers here. That should be a little better. Still kind of ass. It's running smoothly on my screen. Oh, that's because of Godot filing Godot gameplay. Extreme laggy. So yeah. But as you can see, we're back to the basics. And I mean back to the basics. Alright. Yeah, shit was getting really messy. There was shit all over the place. I was like, uh, I'm not gonna. And I totally forgot like how a lot of the stuff worked because yeah, I hadn't been working on it today, but now I'm back at it again, and I've improved a lot of the ways that it was programmed before, like the debug label, which should be working but isn't working. Oh, that's because when it changed scenes, it didn't load up the debug label. Well, anyways, I'll just show you. I'll just show you. We go into the start scene. The actual debug stuff will work. Whereas before, it kind of just like finished half of it and didn't really touch it. But now I have it. It's on this side here, side of the screen. And not the greatest thing of all time, but it sure beats the hell out of print statements. That's for sure. And I mean, wow, it really beats the hell out of print statements. Um, so yeah, the debug is the first thing that I cut down a lot of unnecessary code that was just chilling in there. I gotta be honest, you guys, I cannot bring myself to use little Willow model. So gross look. I hate it. Well, I love it and hate it, but it's like 99% hate it. Alright. I can't bring myself to do it. Can't. So yeah, hopefully, well, maybe the next time you'll see as that Willow model that I showed off to you guys earlier, or maybe you'll. Anyways, there's a lot of stuff, not just on this game, but jumping doesn't work right now. Oh, another thing I improved about the code, I made the input auto load not as, I just cut out a lot of unnecessary code and moved things around. It, it would just be easier for me to sift through all the code. But yeah, I made it more readable, more manageable, and hopefully this keep that up. That we'll actually start getting a game going, like a real game, like a game that actually looks like a game. But you know, for the time being, this is what we got. This is where we are. In other news, I'm working on some stuff for my Twitch account. Once I finish that shit, it's fucking free real estate, boys. It's free real estate. But you'll have to wait. Anyway, that's all I had to say, folks. Watch this devlog. If you enjoyed the devlog, thank you for watching. Well, I mean, if you watched up to this point, thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed it, I guess thank you as well. Although whether or not you enjoyed it is none of my business. Oh man. Anyways, I don't know what's up with this font. When I type 49, it gives me an M. And I swear I'm seeing D's where there are zeros. Yeah, there's a D here. There's literally a D. There's a D where there's supposed to be a zero. Make it make sense. See that shit? Anyways, this font is fucking whatever. Anyways, that's all I had to say. Thanks for tapping in, folks. And I'll see you guys next time.